Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever wondered how artists in video games or animated shows create a whole cast of characters that all look like they belong in the same universe? It's a process that requires a lot of skill and time to maintain a consistent artistic style. But what if an AI could learn that style from just a handful of examples and then generate a virtually unlimited number of brand new characters for that world? That's exactly the problem a new research paper tackles. As you can see here, the goal is to start with a few reference characters and have the AI create a whole new bunch that perfectly match the style. Previous AI methods often struggled with this, either just copying the original characters or creating new ones that didn't quite fit the style. The researchers' solution is a clever modification of a well-known AI technique called DreamBooth. Their key idea was to use a multi-token approach. Think of it like giving the AI two different secret keywords for each character. One keyword describes the character's unique features, like its shape or eyes. The other, shared keyword, describes the overall art style, the colors, the line work, the textures. By separating these two concepts, the AI can learn the style without getting over-fixated on the specific characters it was trained on. They also used an efficient training method called LoRa, which makes the whole process much faster. To test their creation, they used 5 different datasets of characters, each with its own unique and challenging art style. They compared their method against older approaches. But they didn't just rely on computer-generated scores. They also conducted a large-scale human evaluation. They asked 135 regular participants and even 6 professional artists to judge the generated images. The results were pretty staggering. Older methods produced a huge number of invalid images, like exact copies of the training data or just defective outputs. In contrast, the new method generated high-quality, valid images almost all the time. When it came to the human judges, their new method, specifically the one labeled DBMC, was the clear winner. It consistently ranked the highest across all datasets. In fact, professional artists rated its creations as being incredibly close in quality to the original human-made designs. For one dataset, both regular people and professionals actually preferred the AI-generated characters to the original art. So, let's recap the important points. These researchers developed a method that can learn a specific art style from a very small number of images. It uses a multi-token system to separate a character's identity from the overall style, allowing it to generate an unlimited number of new, unique, and style-consistent characters. Their method is not only effective but also highly efficient. The results, validated by both computers and human experts, show a massive improvement over previous techniques. What does this mean for the future? This could be a revolutionary tool for creators in animation, gaming, and comics. It could drastically speed up the character design process, allowing small teams or even solo developers to populate rich, stylistically cohesive worlds. It's a fascinating step forward in using AI not just to automate tasks, but to augment and inspire human creativity. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.